Hi students, once again I welcome you all to my channel Abrar sir classes. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಚಾಪ್ಟರಿನ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋಣಪ್ಪ. ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಲ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 2. I will teach you how to solve the problems in just 45 seconds. Okay, we'll see the very first problem. Here what it is saying, there are 45 number of cells. Total number of cells how much? Total number of cells. Total number of cells is equal to how much? 45 anteppa. Okay, I will call this as n is equal to 45. Okay, with internal resistance of each cell is r is equal to estappa 0.5 ohm ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. To get the maximum current through a resistance of 2.5 ohm, capital R ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 2.5 ohm. One can use m rows of cells each having n cells ante. The values of m and n are. This is called mixed grouping. Okay, mixed combination of cells. Okay, mixed combination. In mixed combination we are very clear that okay, here ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, in mixed combination we'll be having series as well as parallel combination ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, now in general the circuit looks like this. Okay, this is the external resistance R. Okay, now total EMF ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ NE ಇರುತ್ತೆ, and what is the internal resistance NR by M ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, and the current will be flowing. How much is I is equal to okay NE divided by R plus of NR by M ಆಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ. Okay, mixed combination of cells ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲೋಣಪ್ಪ. Okay, to get maximum current, okay, to get maximum current, when I will be equal to Imax when when source resistance is equal to load resistance. I have told you maximum power transfer theorem in the previous problems you have seen, which is the load resistance R. R will be equal to what? Source resistance is what? NR by M ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವೇನಪ್ಪ. ಓಕೆ, I will be equal to Imax when R is equal to NR by M. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್? Here, to get the maximum current through a resistance R, I can use this one. Okay, now here capital N they have given. I can take this as what? M into N, where M is what? Number of rows. What is N? N is what? Number of cells. N is what? Cells. Number of cells. Number of cells in each row. ಅಲ್ವೇನಪ್ಪ. M into N they have given. How much M into N? 45. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ we know that R is equal, what is the condition for I is equal to Imax? R is equal to NR by M ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. They have given capital R, that is 2.5 is equal to N I do not know into R ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 0.5 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, divided by M, right? Therefore here I can write N by M will be equal to how much? N by M will be equal to 5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, because is 1 by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 by 2 into 2.5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ okay. Now I have N by M is equal to 5, and how much is M into N? 45. Okay, N into M is equal to, I can write this as N is equal to 5M ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. Now here I have M into N is equal to 45. Now substitute this. N is equal to 5. M into okay, N raised to N is nothing but 5 into M ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 into M ಆಗುತ್ತೆ is equal to 45, right? is equal to 45 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? 5M square ಅಂದ್ರೆ M square is equal to M is equal to ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 3. okay, 45 by 5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 9 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. M square is equal to M, if M square is equal to 9 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, so M will be equal to 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. okay, neglect the negative term. M is equal to 3. so number of rows ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? M is equal to 3. M is equal to 3. if M is equal to 3, what is N? N is equal to how much? 5 into M. 5 into M ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ? 5 into 3 ಅಂದರೆ 15. okay, 15. Therefore M is equal to 3 and N is equal to how much? N is equal to 15. That means that here M, okay, 3 rows are there, and number of cells in each row are 15. So M is equal to 3, N is equal to 15 is the right answer. Hope you understood. Okay, we'll go to the next problem. What it is saying, pi identical cells are connected as shown in the figure. As soon as you see this, okay, try to reduce the network. Try to reduce the network, or the given figure or the given complicated circuit is called network. Okay, now here I can write this as like this upper. Okay, now this is external R, right? R. Hmm? E plus E are the same polarity node, same. Okay, it is trying to give current like this. It is also trying to give current like this. Here also, okay, all are in the same polarity. So I can write this as what? How much? 3E. R plus R andre ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3R, right? Here same polarity 2E ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. R plus R andre 2R ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. You know how to calculate equivalent. How to calculate E equivalent? I have given the formula in Millman's theorem. Okay, that is given by E by R sigma E by R divided by sigma 1 by R. That is equal to ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಇದು 3E by 3R 3E by 3R plus of 2E by 2R divided by 1 by 3R plus 1 by 2R ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, right? Now if you simplify this one, you are going to get ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಇದು 2 gets cancel, 3 gets cancel, R ನಾನು LCM ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ E plus E 2E ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, divided by ಇದು 6R ನಾನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3 plus 2 5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ E equivalent will be equal to ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ 2E by R into 6R by 5 ಆಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ. R gets cancelled, 12E by 5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 12E by 5. So E equivalent is how much? 12E by 5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And how to calculate R equivalent? R equivalent, these two resistances are in parallel. Therefore, how much? 6R, 3R into 2R, correct? No, divided by 3R plus of 2R. That is equal to, you are going to get 6R by 5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, right? You are going to get how much? 6R by 5. Now, how to proceed with this one? How to proceed this one? 6R by 5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now, you write on the circuit. This is the external resistance R, right? External resistance R ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು 12E by 5. This is how much? 6R by 5. 6R by 5. How to calculate I? I ಈ ಥರ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ in the anti-clockwise direction. I is equal to how much is E? 12E by 5 divided by R plus of 6R by 5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, right? Therefore, okay, 5 cancel ಆಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ, 12E divided by, okay, 12E is equal 12E divided by 5R plus 6R ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, 5R plus of 6R, which is the answer here. 12E divided by 5R plus 12E divided by 5R plus of 6R. Be careful here. Okay, this one is the right answer. Capital 5R and small 6R 12. This is the right answer. Okay, 12E divided by 5R plus of 6R is the right answer for this one. Now we'll do the next one. Okay, N cells each of EMF and internal resistance are connected in series. They are connected in series. What does it mean if they are connected in series? If they are connected in series means I can write the formula here. I can write the formula that is equal to, okay, first I will try to write the formula for series circuit, right? Okay, here what I can write, external resistance R ಇದೆ, okay, are connected in series ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಇದು, this will be equal to how much? If N resistances are connected in series, what you are going to get? If n resistances are connected in series, what you are going to get? You are going to get n. Okay, if n resistances are connected in series, how much you are going to get? You are going to get nr, right? You are going to get nr. Now, in the EMF, it will be NE, right? This will be NE, and now this will be I, right? I. Okay, if they are connected in series, okay, this is series combination, okay, combination of cells, okay, this is called series combination. Series combination nalli ಈ ತರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, right? Series combination nalli ಈ ತರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. What is, okay, if n, okay, cells are connected in series, ne ಆಗುತ್ತೆ nr. I will be equal to how much in series connection? I will write is, okay, is equal to ne divided by ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ne divided by r plus of nr ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now parallel combination ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? What will be the parallel combination? In case of parallel combination ನಲ್ಲಿ, in case of parallel combination ನಲ್ಲಿ, E will be E itself, right? Okay, if n resistors are connected in parallel, ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? R by n ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, okay, ಇದು E, right? And now this is external resistor R. This is, I will call this as IP, okay, they are connected in parallel. ಇದು E, ಇದು R by n. I ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ? Parallel I is equal to E divided by ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? E divided by R plus of R by n ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now he is saying that, okay, now this is a current in parallel and the same current flows in the circuit. This is series combination. Current is is equal to ne divided by r plus nr ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Parallel combination ನಲ್ಲಿ IP is equal to E divided by r plus r by n. Now they are same. He is saying both are same. I can equate is equal to IP. is equal to IP ಅಂದರೆ ne divided by r plus of nr ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That is equal to, now this will come to the numerator, ne ಆಗುತ್ತೆ divided by nr plus of r ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, after taking LCM, it will come to numerator. Ne gets cancelled. We have r plus nr. R plus of nr is equal to nr plus of r ಆಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ. Okay, now I can take this n minus 1 into r. Okay, n is equal to n minus 1 into capital R. N minus 1 gets cancelled. R is equal to capital R is equal to small r is the right answer for this one. Hope you understood this. This is very interesting and very easy problem. You have to be careful while solving these kind of problems. Very easy problem. Now we'll go to the next problem. What it is saying, two cells having the same, as soon as you see two cells having the same EMF, you have to draw the circuit diagram. Okay, now E, this is E, okay, this is R connected in series through an external resistance. Okay, external resistance, this is there, capital R is there, and then in series, they are connected in series, right? Okay, they are connected in series, two cells. This is same EMF. This is R1, R2. Okay, internal resistance is R1, internal resistance R2. Right, what they are telling, okay, when the circuit is closed, okay, circuit is closed, the potential difference across the first cell is 0. What is the potential difference? I have told you in the previous classes, okay, that is the terminal potential difference. That is between, let us say this is A and this is B. How the current is flowing? Current is flowing like this, okay, current is flowing because both the batteries are giving current in the anti-clockwise direction. What is VA minus VB? I will call that as V1, okay, terminal potential difference. I can move like this, I can move like this, that is E, right, that is E, right, E minus of, why minus? Because current is coming like this, so this will be what? This will be plus and this will be minus because current is coming like this, right? Okay, now if this is A, C, this is B, current is coming like this. Let us say current I is coming, right? Current I is coming like this, right? Now this is R1, R1, so this will be plus and this will be minus, and this is minus, this is plus because already there is a E, this is A. Now how to write the terminal potential difference? VA minus VB, if I go like this, okay, if I call this the whole thing as V1, okay, terminal potential difference V1 is equal to what happens? So this will be E plus E, okay, minus of I into R1, I into R1 is equal to 0, is equal to 0, is 0 they have given. Therefore, from here I can write what? I is equal to E by R1 I can write. Also, what is I is equal to? Total voltage divided by total resistance. Total voltage ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2E ಇದೆ. 2E divided total resistance ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? R plus of R1 plus of R2. Okay. Now equating 1 and 2, I can equate this one and this one because both are same. Okay. Equating 1 and 2, what you are going to get? E by R1 is equal to 2E divided by R plus of R1 plus of R2. Right. Now here I can cancel this E and E. If I cancel this E and E, what I'm going to get? R plus R1 plus R2 is equal to 2R1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now I can write R is equal to, okay, 2R1 minus R1 is R1, this minus R2. Capital R is equal to R1 minus of R2 is the right answer, the value of resistance. Hope you understood. Be careful while calculating the terminal potential difference. I is, okay, same here, therefore we are equating. We'll go to the next problem. Okay, we'll go to the next problem. Now, see, this is fish. As soon as you see this fish, you should not get afraid of this fish. Okay, we can fry this fish and eat very easily. Okay, this is mixed combination. What is the formula for this combination? I is equal to, okay, Ne divided by R plus of NR by M. Okay, NR by M. What is the equivalent circuit? I will write that one so that you can remember this one. R, correct? No, this is current I. Okay, it's flowing like this. Okay, this is Ne upper. Okay, this is NR by M. M rows, where M is what? Rows. M is rows, number of rows. Number of rows. N is equal to what? Number of cells in each row. In each row, right? Okay. I is equal to what? Ne. Okay. Total voltage divided by total resistance, R plus NR by M. You need not to worry. Just calculate I here. Okay. Just calculate I. As soon as you see this circuit, I came to know this mixed. N is how much? N, how much they are given? 5,000. Here N is equal to what? Number of cells in each row. N is equal to 5,000 here. How much is M? M is how much? Number of rows, how much? 100. Okay. How much is E? E is equal to 0.15 ohms. Right. How much is small r? Internal resistance 0.25 ohm. Okay. 0.25. Just substitute. I is equal to, okay, I'll substitute here. I is equal to Ne divided by R plus of NR by M. N andre ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? How much is N there again? 5,000. Okay, 5,000 sir. Into E is how much? E is how much? 0.15. Okay, 0.15 divided by external resistance R ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಪ್ಪ? 500 ohm ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. R is equal to how much? 500 ohm ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ external resistance. 500 plus of N ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? Again N ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ 5,000. Okay. Into R andre small r ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? Small r again they are given 0.25. Okay, 0.25 divided by ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? How much is by 100? By 100. Therefore that is equal to, I is equal to, okay, 5,000. ನಾನು 50 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. 50 into 15 I can write. Okay, divided by, because 2 zeros, okay, I have removed. So 2 zeros multiply ಅಂದರೆ 0.5 into 100 ಅಂದರೆ 15 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Divided by 500. Okay, plus of 0 gets cancelled, 0 gets cancelled. 50 into 0.25. 50 into 0.25. For the time being, I will just write what? I will just 50 into 15 divided by 500 and ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, this is very less. I am neglecting this one. What I am doing for the time being, I am just neglecting this one. Okay, neglecting this one. Now I can write what? Gets cancelled. 0 gets cancelled. 1 by 10, that is equal to 15 by 10. 15 by 10 is how much appa? 15 by 10 andre we are going to get 1.5. I is equal to 1.5 amperes of current will be flowing. Okay, by seeing this fish, you should not get afraid of it. It is called mixed grouping or mixed combination of cells. Okay, mixed combination. Okay, mixed combination. Use the formula. Okay, and get the answer. Okay, that is your answer. I is equal to how much? 1.5 amperes is the right answer for this one. Hope you understood. Okay, you have liked the video, the problems. Okay, and keep on watching for interesting chapters, interesting topics, and interesting problems. Okay, kindly share with your friends, like the video, and ask doubts in the comment box. Kindly subscribe for my channel. Thank you, one and all.